Hey, what's up car lovers? Welcome back to Car Trend, where classic meets cutting edge and every ride tells a story. Pickup truck gear. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in the truck world, the legendary Ford F100, reimagined for 2026 with 4x4 capability and a perfect blend of retro vibes and modern muscle. Now let's be real, when you hear F100, your mind goes straight to the old school glory days of American pickups. That squared-off design, raw V8 rumble, and workhorse attitude defined an era. But in 2026, Ford has brought this icon back, and it's not just a tribute, it's a rebirth. The all-new 2026 Ford F100 4x4 is a heritage-style beast that combines vintage design with next-gen engineering. Ford nailed the design language. You get those unmistakable retro lines, a bold grille inspired by the 70s F-Series, circular LED headlights with a modern twist, and a boxy silhouette that screams old-school toughness. Under the hood, you've got options. The base variant comes with a modern turbocharged V6, while the top-tier trim packs a 5.0L Coyote V8 with over 460 horsepower, giving it serious muscle to back up the look. And yes, it's all hooked up to a 10-speed automatic transmission that's been tuned for smooth cruising in rugged terrain. Now for the real fun, this bad boy is 4x4 all the way. The 2026 F100 isn't just for show, it's built to go off-road, tow, and tackle whatever you throw at it. Thanks to electronic locking differentials, skid plates, and terrain management systems, this truck is just as ready for the trail as it is for the street. Ford also added a special heritage off-road package, which includes all-terrain tires, lifted suspension, and off-road shocks for those who want to take the adventure up a notch. Evergreen tree pickup truck. Inside, it's where old meets new. The cabin is a beautiful mix of vintage styling cues and modern tech. You get retro stitched leather seats, a digital gauge cluster styled like analog dials, and an infotainment screen that's flush in the dash, not floating like in most trucks today. It's subtle, clean, and cool. Of course, you've got all the modern features you'd expect. Sync 5 system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and over-the-air updates to keep your truck smart and connected. The rear seat space is surprisingly roomy, and Ford has even included their fold-flat rear seats, giving you extra storage room when you need it. When it comes to safety, Ford didn't cut corners. The F100 comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera, so you're covered in the city and the wilderness. So who's this truck really for? It's for those who love vintage style but demand modern performance. Whether you're a weekend explorer, classic truck enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates bold design, the F100 4x4 2026 is a statement piece with real substance. Fire. Starting around $48,000, it's priced right in the sweet spot for a powerful, iconic, and off-road ready pickup with modern comfort. Ford didn't just build a truck, they brought a legend back to life. So if you're as hyped as we are about the return of this American classic, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Trend for more epic revivals, deep dives, and all things automotive. Until next time, keep the engines running and the wheels turning. You're watching Car Trend, where the legends never die. Pickup truck collision.